Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple and I'm going to show you how I grate this mackerel fish. Make sure you watch from the start till the end. It is very easy to prepare. Alright, let's get started. So here is my mackerel fish. I've already washed it, like remove all the bad stuff, the bad parts. So now I'm going to add my salt. It is very important to add salt to it to give it that extra salty taste. Here I'm going to be using 2 mackerel fish, so I'm going to rub the salt on all the fish, okay, like inside and on the surface as well. So after doing that, I'm going to of course go to the next step. So I'm going to use toothpick, this 4 toothpick for wrapping the fish. So I'm going to first of all do it like this, like bend it, and then use the toothpick to pin it, okay, like to pin the mouth and the tail together so that it will not fall off. So I'm going to do it with the next toothpick. It's better to use 2 toothpicks or more so that the fish will stay, like it won't remove. I'm going to do it with the other fish as well. So after doing that, I'm going to of course put it in my air fryer. I'm going to use air fryer for this, okay. If you have like many fishes, you can use the oven, but if not, the air fryer is also very okay for that. So in my case, I'm going to use the air fryer because I have just 2 fish and the air fryer is also more faster. All right, so here is my air fryer. I'm going to put my 2 fish. You can do it like this, like 2-step like this, or just add the 2 fish at the down, okay. So I decided to change it and put my fish on 1 pan, like only at the bottom. So this is the menu for it. You have to choose on the fish there so that it will just grill very well. So now, as you can see, the first part is ready. I'm going to flip it and let the other parts grill as well. So guys, as you can see, the other part is ready. So that's how I grate my fresh mackerel fish. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook and all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. You can use this fish for your soup. You can also drink it with your gari. Use it for anything you want to use it for. It's very okay. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.